Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we'll talk about parks. So let's get started. You could be asked, do you like to go to parks? Yes, I enjoy visiting parks. Or certainly, I take pleasure in spending time in parks as they offer a serene and refreshing environment. When was the last time you went to the park? I went to the park last weekend. Or I visited the park just the past weekend to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. Do people in your country often go to parks? Yes, many people in my country frequently visit parks. Or, indeed, parks are a popular destination for people in my country to relax and engage in outdoor activities. Are there many parks where you live? Yes, there are a few parks in my vicinity. There are several parks located conveniently around my area, providing ample green spaces for the community. Do you think parks are important for people? Yes, parks provide a peaceful place for relaxation. Or absolutely, parks hold significant importance as they offer a haven of tranquility for people to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Do you think you will go to parks more often in the future? Yes, I plan to visit parks more frequently. Or certainly, I intend to make more regular visits to parks as they contribute to my overall well-being. Do you think parks should be free or people should pay to use them? I think parks should be free for everyone to enjoy. In my opinion, parks should be accessible to all without any charges, as they promote community health and recreation. Did you often play in the park when you were a child? Yes, I used to play in the park quite often when I was a child. Or indeed, during my childhood, I spent a lot of time playing games and having fun in the park nearby. What activities do you do in the park then? I like to go for walks and relax in the park. Or I engage in activities like leisurely walks, reading and picnics in the park to unwind and enjoy nature. Next up, we have our reading passage. Please read along with me. In this context, public parks emerge as vital havens that offer a respite from the concrete jungles, providing opportunities for recreation, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Urbanization has led to a surge in the population of cities, resulting in limited open spaces and increased congestion. Parks offer ample spaces for physical activities such as jogging, cycling, yoga, and sports. Engaging in these activities not only promotes fitness, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases. The availability of such spaces encourages individuals of all ages to adopt an active lifestyle, contributing to improved overall health. The therapeutic effects of nature are well documented. Public parks provide an escape from the pressures of daily life, allowing people to connect with nature and unwind. A leisurely stroll amidst greenery, the sound of chirping birds, and the sight of vibrant flowers have been shown to alleviate stress and boost mental well-being. These spaces facilitate social interaction, helping build stronger communities and reducing social isolation. Parks serve as common meeting grounds for people from diverse backgrounds. Families gather for picnics, friends enjoy outdoor games, and community events foster a sense of unity. They act as vital lungs for cities, mitigating pollution and enhancing biodiversity. Public parks contribute to urban ecosystem by improving air quality, absorbing CO2, and providing habitats for various species. These spaces should be well maintained, safe, and inclusive, catering to a diverse range of interests and needs. It is essential that public parks are easily accessible to all members of the community, regardless of age, ability, or socio-economic status. In conclusion, public parks serve as invaluable assets for urban dwellers. Their role is promoting physical health, mental well-being, community bonding, and environmental sustainability cannot be overstated. As cities continue to evolve, the creation and preservation of such green spaces remain a vital endeavor for the betterment of urban life. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that insightful. Next up, we have our range of vocabulary and expressions that I want you to take away and incorporate into your language. Urbanization, green spaces, quality of life, concrete jungle, respite, recreation, therapeutic effects, and alleviate, biodiversity, mitigate, social interaction, diverse background, inclusive, well-maintained, socio-economic, environmental sustainability, rejuvenation, vibrant, accessible, congestion, preservation, a breath of fresh air, escape the hustle and bustle, nature's embrace, community cohesion, cater to diverse interests, nurturing our well-being, environmental stewardship, harmony with nature, a hub of activity, open air haven, uplift the spirit, create a sanctuary, embark on a leisurely stroll, forge connections. And lastly for today, we have our paraphrasing activity. Please have a go at this yourself. Do you like to go to parks? Instead of asking that question, why don't you ask, do you enjoy visiting parks? When was the last time you went to the park? When did you last visit a park? Do people in your country often go to parks? Is park visitation common among the people in your country? For statements, the question you could be asked is, green spaces in urban areas contribute to the overall well-being of residents. Urban green spaces play a role in enhancing the general welfare of city dwellers. Parks provide a respite from the concrete jungle of busy urban life. Parks offer a break from the hustle and bustle of city living. Green spaces promote social interaction and community cohesion. Open areas foster connections among community members. And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions, but you're on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.